Yo, welcome back to the Rad Skate Park Check-In New York City edition. I am your host, Vincent Basile. You can call me Vinny. Right now we're at the Rockaway Beach Skate Park between 92nd Street and 91st Street, Queens, New York. We got TRISTEN Maldonado here. We got Kenny Schwartz here. You're in for a rad skate session. Let's see what they built for us over here at the Rockaway Beach Skate Park. Come on, guys. Let's do this. Hey, what's up? It's a little crowded, so we're not gonna get in people's way. Let's go that way. We strolled a little bit right to this area. They have curbs over here. Let's just show you this whole run of things. A-frame, rail, box, bank, another box. People flying everywhere. This feature right here, one box. They're everywhere. Box, bank. There's a rail on top over here. Banks connected to boxes right in this area. Got a nice rail right here. It looks to be about 10 feet. Round rail. Built in, super sturdy. Here it is, mini bank section. You got nice flat ground. No one's gonna bother you here. Everything's miniature right here. Rail, curb, make your way around the park. In the way of everybody's skateboarding. Check out this little bowl right here. I think it's super inviting.
It's not that little.
Snake run, but at like this side, it's more of a bowl. I think it's super rad. Skate it like a bowl, skate it like a mini, skate it like a snake run. I wanted to show you this Euro. I wanted to show you this bank and this stair set. Look at this thing with these inviting rails. Big five, small rails. I'm trying to stand out of the way. There's another round rail. It's like 6 feet long, very inviting. Beginners, get after that little thing. Look, another one. Everywhere you look, there's something to hit. Another rail, a rail, more banks. Another stair section, a triple set. Who's gapping that? Yeah, Kenny. We're still showing you guys stuff. Manual pad, Euro gap, rail, bank, hubba, flat top, and another hubba. Take a look around. Are you coming here to hit the rail? Are you coming to hit the box? We don't know what you're gonna hit, but we showed it to you.
What's going on, y'all? My name's Django. We out here with Rad.
Yeah.
I'm about to try a trick.
Let's get it.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, go ahead.
Wow. That's how you know it's time for me to go.
boom boom here. Forget about it. How's the ground? It's just smooth like butter. Yeah. How's the ground here? Very smooth, like butter.
So smooth, you heard? Like these moves.
Ground report is rad. Hey there, you still watching? Radical. Yo, shout out to Terra, cause that thing is a monster.
Throwing it down.
Yo, shout out to Kenny Schwartz.
Yeah.
Say less. Shout out to Shane McGrane.
Shout out Benny Boom Boom, you heard?
Shout out to Clip Mode Squad for coming through. Django showing up. Yo, but we are live and it's dark. We rode all day like always. Rockaway Park is legit. We're definitely coming back here. Please like and subscribe. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, www.radboardsport.co. Yo, clean up your garbage, you dirty rats. Shout out to Kenny again. Catch us on the next one. Brooklyn, we're coming for you. Ride all day.
So I'm not new to this, I'm true to this.
Let's get the road rage.
Yeah, I got road
For all the
rage.
viewers.
I got fucking road rage, all right. Get the